Okay, in this video, some students asked me how to simplify square roots of a decimal number. So let me explain. For example, 1.44, square roots of 1.44. First of all, do you know how to change 1.44 into fractions? So we can move the decimal point to the right hand side for 2 places. Then we need to divide by 100. So 144 over 100, then we get 1.44, right? So first of all, change the decimal number into fraction first. 144 over 100. Now, after that, you can separate the upper part, square roots of 144 over square roots of 100. So for the upper part, you can do short division. So actually you can do it from the smallest prime number. If you know that this actually is 12 times 12, if you don't know that, then we can start it from the smallest prime number, which is divided by 2. We get 72. So 72 divided by 2, which is 36. 36 divided by 2, we can get 18. 18 divided by 2, we can get 9. 9 divided by 3, we can get 3. So square roots of 144 equal to square roots of 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So we write it down on the upper part. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. And the lower part, we also do the short division for 100, square roots of 100. Divided by 2, we get 50. Divided by 2, we get 25. Divided by 5, then we get 5. So 100 equal to 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. So which is square roots of 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. Okay, we can separate up the upper part, square root 2 times square root 2 times square root 2 times square root 2 times square root 3 times square root 3. And the lower part, we can separate it as square root 2 times square root 2 times square root 5 times square root 5. So square root 2 can be cancelled. Square root 2 can be cancelled. And then no more cancelled. Then we can look at square root 2 times square root 2, which gives us 2. Square root 3 times square root 3, which gives us 3, over square root 5 times square root 5, which gives us 5. So this equal to 6 over 5. Yeah, this is the simplest form. So 6 over 5. Okay, that's it.